Alright, now open your Adobe Photoshop on your desktop or your laptop and then give your document or your new project a name, just like I am naming my amazing birthday flag, and then leave your weight at 9 and then your height at 10, and then you click on create. Now head over to the view tab and then click on it and then click on new guide, and then with the vertical selected, change the this thing to 10% and then click on OK. Go back again, click on the view, and then go back to new guide, and then this time around you change it to 90%, and then you click on OK, and then you go back again and then you click on new guide, and then this time around the horizontal, then you change it to 10%, and then you click on OK. Alright, and then you repeat the same thing for the 90% as well, and then you click on OK. Now go to your folder and then select the background image and then drag and drop it just like this, and then click on this guy here. Alright, then right click on the layer and then click on rasterize layer. Good, and then head over to the fill and change the fill to 40% just like that. Good, now head over to your shape tools, right click on it and then select the ellipse tool. Right, now with your shape selected on your keyboard, press and hold the shift and then drag to draw a perfect circle. I am using Adobe Photoshop 2020, and in order for you to draw a perfect circle, you need to press and hold the shift key and then you drag to draw a perfect circle. Now after you are done drawing your circle, adjust it to fit or to be in the middle and then click on this guy. Now head over to the shapes again and then select the ellipse tool and draw another circle just like this. Good, then let's change the color to black, and then this time around let's give it a stroke, so change the color to white and then change the size to 5, okay, or 4, depends, and then let's change this to this one. Good, then let's position it in the center just like that. Now press on Ctrl J to duplicate and then select the first shape that you created, the one you just duplicated. Right, now this is the duplicated one and then this is the one you duplicated, so select this one and then you, with the layer selected, just increase the size, make it bigger than the one you duplicated. Alright, I believe you are getting what I'm trying to say. Just follow the video and you are going to get the same results. Right, and then click on this guy and then press Ctrl G again and then you select the lower layer and then you increase the size just like that. Good, and then you click on this guy. Now let's select our first layer and then increase the size a little bit to make sure that everything is equally looking good. Alright, good. Now click on this guy here. Now select the layers and then resize it just like this, and then click on this guy. Now head over to your shape tools and then select the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle shape from this point all the way through to this point, and then change the color to white. Good, now let's increase the height a little bit. Okay, now I'm just going to make a duplicate of this particular shape and then arrange it all around the circle. Alright, so I'm just going to fast forward the video to save more time. Good. Now you can pause the video and then you practice. Right, now let's select all the shapes here. Alright, then let's right click on it and then click on rasterize layer and then right click on it again, and then this time around merge layers. Good. Now select or click on the eraser tool and select the magic eraser and then select the layer and then delete the whites. Good. Good. Now the next thing we are going to do is to get rid of some parts of this particular shape because we don't want some part, right? So click on your lasso tool and then select the polygonal lasso and then start trimming out the unwanted parts just like this. So let's start from here. Alright, and please make sure you do the trimming very well. Make sure that you don't cut off the black areas. Alright, just follow the video and then I believe you are going to get the same results after you are done watching this particular video. Now, when you finish trimming out the unwanted parts, press on your keyboard the delete key to get rid of it. Then you right click on it and then click on select. Good. So basically, I'm just going to cut out all the unwanted parts off, and then we can go ahead and then proceed with our design. Alright, now that we are done trimming out the unwanted parts, we are just going to divide this shape into 5 different sections or 5 different parts. So just like we did earlier on, select your polygonal lasso tool and then just like I'm doing on my screen, just divide your shape into 5 different parts. Okay. Now select the first one, go to your folder, and then drag and drop this image we have right here. Good. Now decrease the size, and then click on this guy, and then right click on the image, and then select create clip mask. Good. And then let's resize it a little bit. Perfect. Then click on this guy, select the second one again, head over to your folder, and then let's bring in this image also. Let's drag and drop. Perfect. Click on this guy. Now press Ctrl T on your keyboard to transform, and right click on the image, and then select flip horizontal. Then click on this guy. So basically what we are doing is just bringing in our images and then creating clip mask. Alright, so I'm just going to fast forward the video, then do the rest of the remaining, and then we can continue from there. Alright, at this moment, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I will plead with you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it to whoever you think should get this video. You drop your comments, anything you want to say will be appreciated. Alright, thank you. Now select everything and drag it to the folder icon.